Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows. Open in, we've got our steering wheel controls, also included smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 6,131 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.